Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. I am Shafai Sir here. Dear students, today I have brought a very important information for you all, and it's a good news that we have started the second language English passing package. Okay, as you can see here, this is second language English passing package as per the reduced revised syllabus for 2021 Karnataka State Board, and total marks will be for 80 marks. Your final exam question paper will be. Now this is, as like I have said you, this is passing marks. No chapters for 4 mark questions. From which chapters you can expect 4 mark questions? Children, this complete passing package what we are showing you today, it's completely based on the analysis of your model question papers from the KSEAB, that is department question papers, model question papers. Based on that analysis we have drawn this information. Okay, you can expect 4 mark questions from the chapter Grandma Climbs a Tree. 1 question you can expect. Jaws poem 2, you can expect 1 question. So totally you can get 1 question which carries 4 marks. Okay, you can expect the question from these chapters. Okay, and finally you can get 4 marks from these 2 chapters. Now these are the number of questions which we have selected which carries 4 marks. As you can see here, the questions are on the screen and you are supposed to write these answers in 8 to 10 sentences each. I hope the concept is clear for you all. And my dear students, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it. And do not forget to share this video as much as possible with your all friends. And after clicking the subscribe button, click the bell icon. This is second language English passing package. And then we are coming for chapters from which you can expect 3 mark questions. As you can see here, you can expect the question from the chapter A Hero, The Song of India, Color of Silence. Okay, so you can get 2 questions. You can get 2 questions in your board exam. Out of these 3 chapters, you can expect any 2 questions which carries 6 marks. Is this clear? And these are the number of questions which we have drawn, and you are supposed to write 5 to 6 sentences each. Is this clear? You can start solving these all questions. And next, chapters for 2 mark questions. From which are the chapters we can expect 2 mark questions? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jaws poem 2, The Concert, Narayanpur Incident, A Great Martyr Ever Cherished. So you can get 7 questions. You will be getting 7 questions which carries 14 marks. Next, these are the number of questions, selected questions from these chapters. I hope you people are getting benefited from this. And children, don't please only try to concentrate only these things. I request you all, you concentrate these questions first. Along with that, you can study your school classwork and even the materials as the sources which is provided from your school. Okay, but try to give preference for these questions very importantly. Is this clear? Good. And then chapters for extracts. From which are the chapters you can get extracts? You can expect a question from the chapter A Hero, There is Girl by the Tracks, Gentleman of Rio and Medio, The Song of India, Colors of Silence. From these chapters you can expect the extracts and you can get 4 questions which carries 12 marks. And these are the number of questions as you can see which belongs to the extracts. You can start finding the solutions for these questions. In our upcoming videos, children, we will be giving still more number of questions. No need to worry. We will be giving some other sample question papers also. Okay, and even some important questions, letter writing, essay, grammar part, so and so. We will be updating each and everything into our channel. So for that, if you want these all information, you need to get on time So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes and click the bell icon. So whenever we upload any video, instantly you can find the notification, and so that you can use our channel for your betterment. Okay, and childrens, I request you all that try to share this video to your other friends, and even you can let your juniors also to what is the importance of our channel. You can just explain them, and you can ask them also to subscribe to the channel, because once if you are going for the higher class, those people should not suffer. No, this is your duty that you need to help them out. What are the things you have got the benefit, from which are the sources you got the benefit, please try to share something even with those people also. So okay, this is your duty, that you have to help even for your juniors. You can recommend them to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, keep watching. If you have liked this class in the session, click the like button. Comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Keep watching, take care, wish you all the best of luck, be safe, be at home. Bye.